everyone! Today we will be heading to the poolside. This is the place where we are currently living. And I have Arnie here with me. We will do some photo shoot. It's like informal photo shoot. But Arnie will be there for me even if she had a schedule. But she really did make time for me. So this is a walking tour. I think John DeVault likes some walking tour. So John, just a little bit of a tour of this property. We're heading towards the water, and I suppose this is high tide around this time since low tide is around 4. So I assume like around 9:30, 10 is high tide. The tide is important because here it determines like if you go on a boating trip or if you go swim or not, because there are places that are conducive for swimming like on a low tide, and there are also places that is best to swim around high tide. So you know, the sea can be cray, but now I think it's such a nice day. You see this hibiscus plant? There's a lot of hibiscus here. So we're heading to the main entrance of the pool, of the resort. There are a lot of sections here. This is also theirs. There's another pool there. The place we've been through. So there's a lot. This is the name of the place. Romantic Beach Villas. So here is a sunny day. We've got some welcome message here. Yeah, that's me. This is my real name's Princess, but it's up to you if you can call me Lady. Whoa, the tide is nice. I think we'll grab a drink first. So this is how it looks like now. So this is the pool side, and this is overlooking the beach. So it is so enticing to be on the beach today, but we'll have some of our snacks and then we will try to take a dip in the water. So I think one of the best rooms would be there in that room, but there's no vacancy for today. So maybe I will just do that in some other days. Anyway, I'll be here in Siargao for a couple of weeks more. And I hope you will come with me in my adventure and enjoy as well. So I have a place here where there is a lot of plants. I think these are prayer plants, and this is not the easiest plants to, deal with. Some coconuts, very tropical feels, birds of paradise, and lots of real birds around. So I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click the like button. I will be waiting. Alright, see ya!